What's up, guys? Tonight we have a old Westinghouse. I picked this up in the city known as Shamokin, PA on Friday morning after work. $40. I think I'm gonna give it to my buddy Dan. He's gonna need one. So the louvers are all intact. Everything on it seems to work just fine. Beautiful day in Pennsylvania today. I noticed the exhaust is jammed, but it'll let me go open the fresh air. Useless feature anyway, so I'm not really too worried about it. Thermostat goes to 11. 1/4. Gave you a second to finish that line yourself. Alright, anyway, we'll start with, looks like, so it's a 2-speed. Try high fan, or low fan first. Well, it's got a very good airflow is the first thing I noticed about it, even on low. Not that quiet, but oh, you're probably hearing the outside too, so in all fairness. It's not much louder on high. There's not much more airflow either. Alright, turn the thermostat down. Go to high cool. And here's the test. I'm not sure what kind of compressor it has in it because it does have the sides are solid. I didn't get a good look at the back yet. Maybe I'll turn it. Actually, I'm definitely going to turn around. We're definitely going to take a look at the back of it. Ready? Really? I don't know how that's not kicking on. Oop. I don't know where the probe actually is for it. Damn. Why it doesn't have constant run is beyond me. I don't even have my thermometer. Oh, yeah, I do have a thermometer. Actually, yeah. Put the other one inside. Okay. So it's like 66 degrees in here. It should still kick on. You should get the room down to at least 60. No problem. I don't understand that at all. Alright. So I'm going to have to do something here. I think we're just going to jump right the thermostat. So bear with me for a few minutes. I'm going to pause you, and then we'll get back to it in a few minutes. All right, I just unplugged it quick. One thing I already noticed about this is a very easy unit to work on. So it took me like 3 seconds to figure that out. So kudos to Westinghouse. Not that I ever questioned them or their engineering before, because they have never disappointed me. Even the WCIs after Wake Consolidated took over are all excellent units as well. So here's your thermostat right there. I have two options. I can jumper it out, or let me see if I can get this off without messing anything up. I'm sorry, it is not. It is warm enough in here that I think this air conditioner should kick on. You guys know how I am. I like it. I like it like an icebox more often than not. All right. I didn't want to rip that off because I want to be able to put it back to where it's supposed to be. Now it's making. Look at that. No, it's not. Oh. It's like right on the fence, like it wanted to kick on. Is there a, probably, I guess not, eh? I don't think there's an adjustment on it. Okay. Well, then I guess we're not, guess I'm not modifying this one. So that explains it though too, why this probably didn't kick on. The thermostat, this air conditioner probably will cool it down to 60 degrees, but it's not going to kick on because it never, this, with the thermostat being inside of here and it not having a regular probe, it's probably just not getting, you know, hot enough in here yet. This is a replacement, looks like a replacement capacitor. And this thing is in very, very good shape. Let's take you off the tripod for a minute to get a good look. Look at that. If that's any sign as to what the rest of the unit's going to look like, I think I'm going to be okay. There's your, why is your condensate dripping here? Doesn't make sense. I'm not going to question Westinghouse. I'm sure they know what they're doing. Yeah, I don't know where it goes. That's not. Is it a condensate line? I don't know. Like I said, I guess I won't know it until I take it apart and look at the chassis better. But anyway. Alright, so right now it's on. The compressor should kick on. So we're going to put this back together quick. And we're going to try it. To run it. Freaking run it, man. Run it. I like how this is held on by magnets. It's got a plate there and a plate there. And this just pretty simple. Just clicks on here and bam, done. That's all there is to it. All right. Plug it back in. No molded plug disease. Everything seems to be pretty good shape. I can't really show you. I can get you closer. But I don't really know what I'm going to be able to do as far as hearing the compressor because I'm pretty sure it's all solid. I can get you in here. Here goes nothing, boys. It's trying. Alright, so fire it up. This is a design where, as you guys saw when I had the grill off, it sucks it in and blows it out through the evaporator. That's freaking cold. Wow. We already built up head pressure. What the hell is my temp gun? Aim that up, that way it's not getting sucked back in. I want that compressor to stay on. I don't know if I got comedians living with me or what. Where the hell's my temp gun? I want my damn temp gun. Damn it. Alright. That is freaking cold, man. Wow. And it doesn't stink either. And it blows even throughout the whole discharge. That's freaking freezing. I got my temp gun. It was in the last place that I looked. So we're dealing with an ambient temperature of, went down to 65, so my thermometer was right. It was a lot better in here earlier. It's pretty even throughout. Yeah, she's definitely got a full tank of gas. Ah, just kicked off. Oh well. Oh, what else can I really ask for right now? Oh, look at that. So to get this grill off, you just have, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll show you. Take this down for a second. I love this tripod. I should have got one of these years ago. You have 1, 2, 3. Take it off and look at it quick. Why not? For some reason, I really like these units that have that design where it blows it out through the evaporator. I don't know why, I just do. It's different. I think that's it. Like I said, I'm not going to try that. I'm not trying to force it either. Oh, yeah, it's going. Cool. Ooh, it's getting windy out there. I wonder if we got rain kicking in. Bring it back up. So it's, well, it's like 4 layers deep. So this thing is going to need little to no actual restoration. All I'm really going to do with it is make sure it can't get rusty, because I think I already have a home for it. Let's take a look at the data on it. Might as well give it a rest. See if that has a good wind down time. Yeah, it does. It's clean, man. Really clean. No, it's not for sale. That is lubed up good. So we have Westinghouse, model number MHK11M1. It's kind of like, no, 111M1. Yeah, MHK111M1. Refrigerant F22. Well, I'm going to say that's R22. Just says, for some reason they're calling it F on here. 12 amps, 1360 watts, and 10.3K BTUs. So that's roughly like an energy efficiency rating of like 8.5, 8.5, somewhere in there, because my Philco noiseless has the same ratings, but it's 11,000 BTUs, and that was an 8.8. So, yeah. Oh, it even has a model number right there. I'll put you back on the tripod. We'll turn it around. We'll put the discharge vents back on it. And put the grill back on. And take a look at the backside. Because why not? It clips in there like that. Goes up, in. I like how it always seems to use the same hardware too, so you're not going to be switching bits the whole entire time you're working on it, which can become a major pain in the ass. At least I'm not going to have that problem today. So everything fits together nice and snug, no rattling parts. Another telltale sign of a quality unit. Minus the fact that it's over 50 years old and still fired up, no problem. Amazing. Right, let's turn her around quick. Yeah, I can't tell. It looks like it was installed through the wall at one point. Not recently, though. He's way too clean to have been used recently, or heavily for that matter. Put that somewhere for now. There we go. Done. tell you what, there's no shortage in pounds here. That I can tell you. But I am loving this truck. Alright. So I gotta bend some of the louvers back into shape. So I think we're gonna take that grill off. This definitely has been installed for a long time at some point because the Westinghouse tag is faded, as almost all of them are at this point. I think I've only ever seen one that was still blue, and that was because it was installed under an overhang. Oh, yeah, oh, there's a fan. Cool. You can't see the compressor though. If you look, it has the condenser coils are angled that way, and these ones here on this side are just straight. So it is designed to blow the air discharge that way, as to not keep sucking the same air back in, thus not cooling down the condenser coil as fast as it should. Because you don't want to be sucking the same hot air back in, you'll overheat the cooling system. Let's see what kind of look we can get. Oh, don't screw me now. So we do got some rust, unfortunately, but what can I really expect of a 1960s era unit that's no less than 52 years old? Okay, so your condensate comes out through here from the inside, and it's not that bad. Look how deep that gets before it drains out though, so we got to modify that a bit. I can't even see the compressor, so it looks like it's got a case around it. Definitely a recip though, probably a freaking AJ if I had to take a guess. And that don't look like it. Doesn't look like an AJ, it looks round. I can't really tell what it is. I always love the fact that you can see the fan from the outside. I always thought that was cool. So yeah, she's in good shape. It's got a little bit of coil rot down here, but nothing major. A little bit of rust. No through rot though. And the bottom of it still looks good. I can't believe that's how high the water gets in here before it drains out though. That's crazy. So we gotta modify that. And it doesn't even, look how high the fan is too, so it doesn't splash at all. So there is no reason to have any water accumulation in here, period. So we're gonna modify that. Probably put a drain hole right here, and maybe one back here too. We'll see. When I take the case off, I'll see where the most of the rust is. I'm thinking a drain hole right here, maybe one in the center, or maybe just one in the center because it looks like that's where most of the rust is. Doesn't look like anything really sits over here. So that being said, I think that's all we got for now. Thank you for your time. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you think about this here old Westinghouse, and I'll catch you when I do the in the springtime when I get around to doing a new bright on it and cleaning it up. Till then, peace out. Take it easy.